Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about high-low method concept and the formula of high-low method for calculate the cost estimated. So what is the definitions of high-low method? High-low method is the method of estimating a cost function by considering data at the highest and the lowest level of activity. The observations with the highest and the lowest level of activity are used to calculate the variable cost and fixed cost component. High-low method were used to calculate the fixed and variable cost of semi-variable cost or mixed cost. So the advantage of using high-low method is the method is very objective and it is very simple compared to other method. Next, the disadvantages of using high-low method is the method is only use 2 points and ignore the remaining point that can make the result inaccurate. Besides that, the high-low method may not be representative of the point in general, and the point can be the outlier point, which is the data point fall far away from the other points in the scatter graph. Based on all these factors, by using high-low method may give the result that are not very accurate. So the formula to find the variable cost is the highest cost minus the lowest cost divided by the highest activity minus the lowest activity. While to find fixed cost, you can choose to use formula 1 or formula 2 to calculate the fixed cost. So the first step, you have to find 2 points, which is the highest and the lowest point. From that, you have to find the variable cost first, then you can use the variable cost value to find the fixed cost. So that you can form equations which is y equal to a plus b multiplied by x. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please click subscribe button, like, comment and share my video. Bye guys and have a good day.